how to remove songs from Instagram post. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can remove songs from Instagram posts, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to remove songs from Instagram posts, so let's say that what I need to do is I'll just go ahead and open up Instagram here. I just tap the plus option and then I'll just choose a photo that I maybe want to add in this case. Then I'll just tap on next. I'll just tap on this music icon and then I'll just add a music to this post. Once I add a music to this photo becomes a video. And can you take out the video and then convert it into a photo? That's what removing song from Instagram post mean. So let me just go ahead and show you. I'm just going to tap on done. I'm going to tap on next and then I'm just going to go ahead and then publish this post over here. Once I publish this post, let's say I just refresh my homepage right over here. You can see the music has been added. But unfortunately, if I tap the three dots option here, and then even if I tap on this edit button, you can see I don't have any such options where I can simply go ahead and then remove that Instagram post or that Instagram songs. And that is simply it, because once this photo has become a video after adding a music, you will not be able to only remove the music. The only thing you can do is you can tap the three dots option, you can go to delete, you have to delete the post and then just repost them again, because that's the only thing that you can do. Hope this video helped you understand your question and as to how you can remove songs from Instagram posts. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.